In this video, we'll see how you can model a simple convex or converging lens using the PhET bending light simulation. The first thing to do is to launch the bending light simulation and choose prisms. Then you want to drag out this shaped prism, followed by the square prism, followed by this shaped prism again, drag it out, and then you'll need to rotate it by touching on here. Then you can move this by clicking on here or touching on here and dragging, and then you can turn it on with the red button and see what happens. I've blocked it off so that you can't see what happens, but then you can move it to this position and see what happens, and move it to this position and see what happens. And if you do that, you should see the basic way that a converging or convex lens works. Look carefully at how the light refracts when it enters and when it leaves the lens. Now, obviously, in a real lens, it would be curved, so there would be a difference depending on whether the light hit here or here, but this models the basic idea.